Bucks beat up guy 441 ski. This is Jackson Halloween, back with another video on one of my personal favorite animatronics I got. From last year, the one Gatekeeper. I know this one very controversial, but personally I love this animatron. And yes, I am doing the setup with Fog. I'm gonna make a new demo of this guy also. Oops. Fog goes. Fog connector. You know, it kind of surprises me. This is a YJ animatronic, but that's a normal connector. I'm really surprised about that. Instructions. This is pretty simple animatronic. You don't need those. Close. Yeah. Flap in the way. I don't know what to pull out. Okay. Main mech. Nice. A hand. Yeah, hand. Another hand. These hands are amazing. I love these hands. I know it's dark. I'm filming this the day before you don't see it because of my work schedule. It has to be done like this. I'll film the next one tomorrow and release it the day after, so if that makes any sense. Adapter. Oh my. There you go. Fog connection and base. Ah, that was loud. The box is kind of bad. Amazing storage. Anyways, so this animatron is simple. It's mainly just fighting Velcro. So it's facing backwards, and now I just realized that. Take the main mech though. Can't do this one-handed. Yeah, I did it. Okay. Okay, spinning this way. He wasn't even facing. Really wasn't facing that direction. Okay. There's him. I said I was not going to look at his directions, and I'm looking at his directions because I don't remember. Okay, I was actually wrong. So the close go over first. I cannot do this one-handed, so I'll be right back. Alright, focus. There you go. Okay, got the clothes on. Now, first head on. He has a half head, but he has a hood, so it's not too bad. Slide it over. Snap lock. Oh, come on. There we go. Now, run the wire down the back of his clothes and put the, oh my, oh golly goodness, what in the, I don't know what's happening. Okay. Sorry, amazing camera quality right here. Alright, 1 second. And what I was trying to do is there's a Velcro in the middle of his hood. That's how you attach his clothes. Now, one thing that is generally annoying about the Santa is the form. So, there's kind of an arm spot, and how that works is Velcro side, front, and top. You're gonna put those. That took way too long. It's basically supposed to kind of help. Hello, everyone. So I was just going back to the videos, and somehow the video got cut off on his setup. So I'm gonna go over that real quick. Sorry it's so dark. But basically all it is a lot of Velcro. You have 3 Velcros to each shoulder. Velcro the hands. The hands only are Velcro, so you have to move him. Especially you have to move the hands too. For the fog machine is a hose. Goes just sit in his body. Goes on there. You have to screw that little notch thing on. That's why it connects there. Red light turns on when his fog machine's lit up. And it goes through here. Yeah, it connects to him. The IR sensor wire is in the very front. That's something you can have a hard time finding. That's basically it. I'll do a quick little demo of it mounted. The fog doesn't work, but
this is the point of no return. Your cries and screams are futile.
anyways, there he is. Yeah, I think I ran out of storage. I don't know what happened. Anyways, thanks for watching. And bye bye.